Alright guys, I gotta talk a bit soft because I don't have much of a voice and it's a bit hard to talk, but I guess I owe everyone an explanation on where I've been. I've just been sick. There's no other explanation. I've actually got, sorry members, I didn't post on Monday. I've got a members video that I've uploaded. I hate members videos. You can't post them on your phone. You have to do it on the computer. I just haven't turned the computer on. It's been sitting in the uploads for a bit since Monday. I don't know what the hell's going on with me, guys. I had the spicy cough in April, and it's been 5 months, and it's just been you guys have seen me. Every time I come on, I say sorry I haven't posted. It's because I've been sick. I didn't really believe in the long spicy cough, but I'm reading reports of 6 months, and I can only pray that at 6 months it goes away. Young fella's not well, wife's not well. Last night's one of the shittest nights of sleep I've had in my life. I'm not here for sympathy. I just want everybody to know I'm alright. My wife put it really good last night, and it's like, how can we have such a good life and yet still be so shitty? So we're in high spirits. Heaps of the chickens have hatched, heaps didn't. I'll do an update video on that, but basically one of the sellers that I bought off, I will never get chicks from again. Only 2 hatched out of 36, and I know it's not my incubator because the other batch, 21 hatched out of 25, so, oh no, 19 out of 25, and I crushed 2. I accidentally broke 2, so it was human error. You can hear Cooper crying, he's not well either. If it is the spicy cough, long spicy cough, I had it in April, so I've got a month to go. But I don't know. I guess one thing I'll ask, does anybody out there experience the same thing? Because at first I thought it was all because of the daycare, but then like 2 of the guys at work have gone through exactly the same thing as me, and they don't have kids, neither of them. So it makes me like wonder. The only thing I will say is we've all had gastro I had gastro a little while ago, and Mrs. had it recently. I think the gastro is definitely childcare, but I don't know. Unless it's a bit of both. Is it long spicy, and also the young fella bringing colds back? But yeah, like it's not constant either. Like, not the week before last, or the week before this I just had a sore throat, no lethargicness, nothing. And then it was my birthday Friday, and the sore throat was gone. Went out to dinner, felt good for the weekend, went riding, and then I felt shit Monday, and I thought it was just from riding. And then Tuesday, I was the coldest I've ever been in my life. I had no other symptoms, but just freezing cold. And then the next day after that was just like full blown body aches. Like, there's been 2 episodes since the spicy cough that have actually been twice as bad as the spicy cough. So I don't know. I genuinely want to know your experience in the comments. I don't know if we're allowed to use the main terms in the comments, so keep keep it as spicy cough in the comments and let me know. I don't plan on dropping daily vlogging. I don't plan on dropping Friday Night Live. I plan on having it back in full swing. The plan was when Cooper was 6 months old to go back full swing, but I've just been sick since he turned 6 months, and he's 10 months real soon. Or now. Hang on, what's the day? He might be 10 months now. Anyway, Cooper's got that same cough that I've got, but the problem is he doesn't have when he coughs as hard as that, he actually throws up. Anybody who's got kids, you know. And it's like, has he got gastro again? But I don't think it is, because it's after a bottle and he coughs like that and then throws up. But anyway, that's my last story. Work's been fucking crazy too. So I've been going to work. I had one day off, and I've been like going between the office and back on the floor. My body can't handle it. I can't handle standing up all day anymore. But anyway, yeah, I think next video I'll do a chick update. There's a couple that aren't doing well, but I don't know if they're not doing well or whether they just need a good bath, but I'm scared to give them a bath in this cold weather. I guess maybe that's some advice that I could get from the channel. They didn't hatch properly, and the fan in the incubator seemed to have dried them out. So I don't know whether I should have turned the fan off in the last few days or slowed it down or what. But anyway, guys, I'm going to stop it at that for now because my throat is hurting from talking. Sorry there's a crying baby through the whole thing. Just know we're in high spirits. I'm not depressed. I'm not sad. I'm just fucking over it. Life's still pretty chill. It's like as bad as it can be without it being bad, if that makes sense. But yeah, peace out.